Hi, I'm Janet Cinquenza, and I'm here to discuss the kinds of glassware. First is highball glass, a 8.5 ounce or 250 ml used for gin cocktails, gin feast for Pernod with and for all accredited drinks. Second is Tom Collins, 12 ounce or 360 ml used for long drinks like juice and mixers are added to Sprite for iced tea and shakes. Old-fashioned glass, a 9 ounce and or 270 ml used for whiskey on the rocks and fashion cocktails. Beer mug or Pilsner glass, a 12 to 14 ounce or 360 to 420 ml used for beer. Aperitif glass, a 45 ounce or 120 to 150 ml used for aperitif wines. Port glass, a 5 ounce or 150 ml used for port wines. White wine glass, a 6 ounce or 180 ml used for white wine. Red wine glass, a 8 ounce or 240 ml used for all red wines. Tulip, a 6 ounce or 180 ml used for all the sparkling wines and champagne. Flute, a 6 ounce or 180 ml used for sparkling wines and champagne. Brandy balloon or brandy inhaler and brandy sniffer, a 6 ounce or 180 ml used for all sparkling wines and champagne. Brandy cordial, a 3 ounce or 90 ml used for liquor brandy. Water goblet, a 8 to 10 ounce or 300 ml used for chilled water served at the table. Margarita glass or coupette, used for cocktails like margarita. Martini glass, used for martini drink. Shot glass, it is a small glass designed to hold or measure liquor.